Hello student, good afternoon. Today we have start the new topic, that is the classification of protozoa. Classification of protozoa. According to the scheme conventionally in use, the protozoal parasites of man are classified as follows. Classification of protozoa: phylum Protozoa, subphylum Plasmodroma and Coleophora. Protozoa gives rise to two subphylum, that is Plasmodroma and Coleophora. This subphylum Plasmodroma gives rise to classes, three classes: Rhizopoda, Mastigophora and Sporozoa. Plasmodroma, subphylum Plasmodroma gives rise to three classes: Rhizopoda, Mastigophora, Sporozoa. And second subphylum is Coleophora, gives rise to only single class Ciliata. Order Heterotrichida. Ciliata, class Ciliata, order Heterotrichida. Example species, that is the genus Balantridium coli species. Next order Rhizopoda, class Rhizopoda gives rise to one order, that is Amebida. Amebida gives rise to genus, example genus Entamoeba. All these species of Entamoeba, that is Entamoeba histolytica, Entamoeba coli, Entamoeba gingivalis, Endolimax, Endoplasm nana, Endolimax nana, Iodomia, Iodamoeba, Buccelli, Iodamoeba Buccelli, Dientamoeba fragilis, example. Next class Mastigophora gives rise to two orders, Protomonadida and Diplomonadida. And this order Protomonadida gives rise to genus Cholomastics. All these examples are live in the intestine of host. Cholomastic, Mesnil, Trichomonas hominis, Trichomonas vaginalis. This Trichomonas vaginalis is the parasite of vagina of human female. Enteromonas hominis, Embryomonas intestinalis. This intestinalis live in the intestine of human. Next order Diplomonadida, class Mastigophora. Its two order Protomonadida and Diplomonadida. This Diplomonadida gives rise to number of genus and species. Gairdia intestinalis. These also live in the intestine of man. Single that example is given. Next, a class is Porozoa. Order is Coccidida. This Coccidida example is Plasmodium. All these parasites live in the blood and tissues. Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium ovale, Trypanosoma brucei, Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma rangelis, Leishmania donovani, Leishmania tropica, Leishmania brasiliensis. And this Plasmodium species Coccidiaचं order Coccidia मध्ये other example is Isospora hominis, Isospora belli, Toxoplasma gondii. This is the classification of Protozoa. Protozoa is the phylum and subphylum is Plasmodroma and Coleophora. 3 classes Plasmodroma give rise to 3 classes: Rhizopoda, Mastigophora and Sporozoa. And Coleophora gives rise to 1 class, that is Ciliata. This is the classification of Protozoa. This revised scheme of classification of Protozoa, replacing the scheme conventionally in use, has been proposed by Honigbergs et al. This is the scientist Honigbergs et al. In 1964. This scientist described the classification of Protozoa and is given below. The phylum Protozoa has been divided into 4 subphylum: Sarcomastigophora, subphylum Sporozoa, subphylum Cnidospora, subphylum Coleophora, subphylum Protozoa. Goldfuss in 1918 embedded Von shield. This scientist also described or studied on the classification of Protozoa. Subphylum Sarcomastigophora, Honigberg and Balmuni. It is divided into 3 superclass. Superclass Mastigophora, scientist Dissing in 1866. Subphylum Sporozoa, Leuckart 1879. It is divided into 3 classes. Class first Teleosporia, Sodanis 1900. It has described. Subphylum third Cnidospora, Doplin in 1901. This scientist studied or described the Cnidospora. Subphylum Fourth, Silophora, Dophlin, 1901. It has on class first, ciliary porti in 1852. It is the subdivision into 4 subclasses. Order Heterotrichida, Stein, Stein, Stein in 1859. The areas of major taxonomic revisions when compared with conventional classification are as follows. Sarcodinids and flagellates are as follows. Flagellates are combined into single subphylum Sarcomastigophora. Sarcodinids and flagellates are combined into the single subphylum Sarcomastigophora. The conventional taxon Sporozoa is splits into 2 subphylum, the Sporozoa and the Nidospora. The class Pyroplasmia is located within the superclass Sarcodina. The Toxoplasmids is located in a class Toxoplasmia within the subphylum Sporozoa. A system of uniform end has been adopted for the names of the higher taxa, phyla, subclass, superclasses which had in classes, orders, suborders, family, genus and species. This is the classification of protozoa